So my name is Pierre-Emmanuel Gaillardon. I'm an associate professor in the department and associate chair as well. And my research is about computer engineering at large. I like to say it that way because we try to bridge the gap between all the subdomains of computer engineering and look at the interdisciplinary aspects of it. For instance, and I will invite you to just browse the website and you can see an overview of the research we do. We have a very broad set of activities ranging from the exploration of new device technologies, including nanofabrication of those devices and studying all the impact of those devices from a circuit and architectural perspective. At the same time, at new tooling and new types of architectures. We are very active on the open source hardware scene and are the actual leaders in open source FPGA. So we build um, completely open source hardware architectures, so hardware FPGAs and software tooling for that. I will invite you to go and look at our GitHub page. You can see all the projects we have right there and the various documentations. Always happy to have people poking around all the stuff we do there. Um, at the same time, we also explore new types of embedded systems, and we have a very large activity around air quality monitoring and smart city threat detection. So we do monitor in real time pollution and chemicals of interest with new types of sensors, new ASIC architectures to interface that, and new machine learning technologies for that. So I invite you to just browse the website, lnis-uofu.com. You can also reach out to the various people in the lab if you have any questions. We do have also a fairly large lab, so there's quite a lot of resources you can ask for among the students. And as we're always looking for bright people. So you're welcome to reach out to me. We'll be glad to talk. Let's keep the discussion open. Thank you very much, folks, and I hope you had a great morning.